Good evening, friends. Welcome to our channel. This is Thirumale Kumar. Today's report about today's market, post-market analysis on 21st October 2021. As every day, market is showing its muscles down and down. Today also, again the same reddish area you've seen in the chart. And if you look at, as I told when we were in 18,600. In day chart, it formed doji candle. So that day itself, near about it was confirmed that it's the market is trying to book profit and it needs more steam. So people should be cautious in every positions or their idea to accumulate. So that time also I warned them. It's happened again 100%. If you check it, this 18,604 was the high, and it was down every day for the past 3 days. And today's fall took a low of around 18,048. So near about 550 points roughly within 3 days. Nifty has fallen, and today's range, if you take it, it's around 300 points. If you take it from low to high, it's around 18,040 is the low intraday, and the high is 18,384, roughly around say 350 points in the range the Nifty has moved. Simply only one thing, people, I think all investors are profit either 5% or 500%. Nobody is bothered about. They simply want to book at least to some extent. That was the mantra, and it's prevailing every day. They are keeping that. So we may expect the selling, as I told, will continue 1 or 2 days. But one more thing I have to inform, that today's closing 1 hour pattern, if you check it, it's put a candle about to the green candle. This is a good sign. And one more thing, it is closed about to the trend line support. So this is also one of the good sign. If market maintains tomorrow in the same the same trend line support as the base, then we can see a good reversal, bullish, and it can go above 18,600 or more. Everything is subject to if it finds support and base here. If there is any bad news or any other selling, one more thing, tomorrow Reliance result also coming. So if anything bad news comes, then we may not say that it will sustain here. So this is one of the aspect we have to think. And of course, if you check about international market, all global market are in their mixed range or slightly mildly bearish. From the morning onwards, we could have seen this level in European market or in Asian market. China market totally different. That's continuously in reddish for the past 2 to 3 days. And Dow Jones, S&P, all US indices mildly green. So we could expect this bullishness may continue, as evident by Verizon and Netflix result. And in India also, our market, nowadays investors are outsmart. They are trying to sell their positions prior to that particular company's result announcement. Yeah, tomorrow Reliance result is coming, but people have near about booked their profit today itself. So today, if you check that, Reliance made a high of 2,600 or 700. From that level, it has fallen to 2,620. So 100 rupees range was there in Reliance. One more thing, as I have mentioned in Jubilant result, the result was good, but market uh, give a thumbs down to Jubilant Food, and the particular script also fallen. And one more thing, today's market, all PSU banks were showing high. One more thing, Bank of Maharashtra result was good, and that particular bank has given a good turnaround, and that is very much notable one. Of course, JSW Steel result also good. I will give a separate video for that. So out the outset, I can say one thing depends on the performance. People are either trying to book profit. Investors are preferring to at least to some of their portion to book profit and to keep cash, or to stay somewhat somewhere in sideline. So this may be the mantra nowadays. If you are also in a profit, just book some of your portion and keep some cash. The present market and today's market, one thing is clear, that market is not in a good mood of falling more. It's trying to book profit only. And for the past 3 days, FIAs and DAs data shows that both of them want to book profit. So for the past 3 days, FIAs would have sold, I think, around 5,000 crores they would have sold. And today also, we may add, I'm very much sure that definitely either FIs or DAs or both of them would have sold. I'm damn sure. We will have to wait for the data. So you should be in a cautious approach prior taking your positions here. And about tomorrow's market, I could say one thing depends on the Reliance result. Market may get some direction. Of course, whatever may be the Reliance result, as it has moved from 2200 to 2750 something, it's quite natural. People try to sell their portion to book profit, so that can't be exception one. At the same time, it may give a good direction, so we'll wait till then. If possible, tomorrow morning, overnight, based on the overnight position, I could update by a pre-market report. I think I have near about covered. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Thank you.